Hey everybody, here we have what looks to be at least 4 Lennox HS18 central air conditioners.
HS18 right here.
It is a 1986.
What's the tonnage?
I do not remember how you decode the tonnage on this.
We'll probably lay it over.
I want to say it's like a...
One of the runs.
I think it's like a 2-ton,
right here.
but I'll have to look.
Looks like some sort of reciprocator.
It is a 1986. It's the same as the other one. And here's an old HS18. This one is running. Projecting heat. And this one is a 1986 as well. It's identical to the other ones. It's pumping ice cold. And then another HS18 on the end.
Yeah, this is what HS18 is also.
Not also 1986.